Hi, this is Miss Redican, and we're here to look at table T titration, example number 2, where the moles of acid and moles of base are equal, which is basically saying they've neutralized each other, and it allows you to compare one to the other and find the unknown. Let's take a look at our problem. If 50 milliliters of KOH is titrated with 16.7 milliliters of 1.5 molar HCl, what is the molarity of the base? Seems like a lot. Let's get our system out. If 50 milliliters of KOH, so let's look at KOH. KOH ends in OH. This is a base. And if you want to double check, always look at your tables. Table L. This is a base. So 50 milliliters, milliliters is the volume. This is the volume of the base. As soon as you find that, let's go put it in the formula in the correct spot. Okay, so let's zoom in here. Volume of the base, 50.0 milliliters. Yeah, let's go back. It's titrated with 16.7 milliliters of 1.5 HCl. Starts with H. This is an acid. And if you wanted to double check, look on table K. 16.7 milliliters, that's a volume. So this is the volume of the acid. So I go to my formula, volume of the acid, it's going to go here. Put everything in order. Last, 1.5 molar, the concentration of the acid. Molarity of the acid or concentration goes here. Now notice they did not give you the numbers in order. You had to figure out the order using the formula. Last, what is the molarity of the base? That's our X. We want to get X by itself. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. It's going to divide out here. And now I'll have 1.5 times 16.7 divided by 50 will equal X. Don't forget to put these in parentheses or brackets in your calculator. So let's put this in. Parenthesis, 1.5 times 16.7, parenthesis, divided by 50. Okay, so 0.501. And I'm going to round with significance or significant figures. So 0.50 molar. And that's the base in this case, because that's what we were looking for. Okay, so I hope that helps. Those are the only two kinds of problems. They're either going to ask you for the molarity of the acid or the molarity of the base, and you've seen both now. Good luck. That's all.